So let's talk about how high XRP will go in 2025. This is an XRP price prediction video, but with a different twist. So the top four AI tools in the world are giving us an XRP price prediction for the end of 2025. So pretty interesting. And I will give you a little sneak peek. It's good news. And yeah, we're going to jump into this in just a minute. So stay to the end. Got a lot to share with you. And let's take a look real quickly at what's going on in the crypto market. So the overall market is down 0.36. Bitcoin continues to do its kind of consolidation thing, as well as XRP is up. Actually, XRP, if you weren't paying attention, on the 7-day XRP is just shy of up 6%. And on the 1-day, it's up about 2%. Okay, so let's jump into this XRP price prediction and talk about the latest XRP news here. Okay, so the number that we always kind of care about is how high will XRP go in a very short period of time. And so by looking at this, we really got the remainder of 2025. So in essence, 5 months, July, August, September, October, November, December, 6 months, 5 to 6 months, right? And so in there, from an XRP price prediction, the top four AI tools have come out and talked about what they believe, how high XRP could climb by the end of 2025. Responses are definitely bullish. There were certain conditions, and I think these conditions, for the most part, will be met. So ChatGPT gave three distinct scenarios for an XRP price prediction, okay, depending upon how events unfold. So in the conservative estimate, ChatGPT predicts XRP will get back to $3.80. And just to put that in perspective, our all-time high is $3.84, set back in January of 2018. Now we came real close to hitting that just in the last, in the last months, a couple of months ago, or a while back, but recent times, if you will. Okay, so $3.80. So that I consider to be a good news scenario, and that's approximately a 40% move up. Okay, so 40% by the end of the year, really pretty good if you call it what it is. So just to put that in perspective, if you go out and you do kind of hey, I want to put some money in stocks or bonds or whatever it is, if you're getting 10% on a 1 year basis, that's a really good return on investment. So just 40% for that is I consider that a massive win. Okay, so moving on, still in ChatGPT, ChatGPT gave a more moderate between $5 and $6. Okay, so $5 and $6. So ChatGPT, the first estimate that I gave you, $3.80, was quote conservative. ChatGPT gave a more moderate. Basically, this was an assumption that Ripple secures key partnerships, continues to experience adoption. It will. Key partnerships are already coming. We know that Ripple's applied for a national bank charter, all those kind of things. Okay. So in the aggressive scenario is $10 to $15. Okay. So I do believe that from an XRP price prediction standpoint, that $10 is 100% in the realm of possibility by the end of 2025, because we're going to see all of crypto rise along with that. We're going to see Bitcoin between, say, $130,000 very conservatively to probably north of $200,000. Again, massive amounts of money, trillions of dollars flooding into the market. Okay, so continuing for Gemini, Perplexity, and Grok. Okay, so Gemini and Perplexity, two additional AI tools from an XRP price prediction. Both provide similar outlooks, but putting XRP between $5 and $10 by the end of 2025. So that's a very good, again, XRP price prediction. So we've got ChatGPT giving us very bullish numbers. We've got Gemini, Perplexity giving us extremely bullish numbers. So Gemini and Perplexity emphasize that growth would only come if Ripple's legal troubles are over, which they are. Again, we've said that a million times. We know where we're at on that. Okay. And they're also saying that we need an XRP spot ETF. Now, the XRP spot ETF is all that's on hold. Okay. So we don't really know what our time frame will be for that XRP spot ETF. And I think, again, XRP spot ETF would be a big deal. Okay. So that's probably the only X factor in that particular mix. Okay. So Grok, which is Elon Musk's XAI, was more cautious, gave us a low range of $1.80 to 581, and a most likely scenario falling between $3 and $4.50. So Grok was a way more cautious slash conservative in this AI XRP price prediction scenario, but I'll take the upside 450, moving up at least to that point, and that's approximately a 40 to 60% move up to get us back up over to $3.80 to 450. Okay, so there you go. There's your XRP price prediction from the top 4 AI tools out there, and overwhelmingly very, very bullish, which I take as a good thing. And these AI tools, they're taking in a lot more data points and looking at all these different variables. And obviously it's AI, so it's got massive computing behind it. And it's not 100%. We know that, but I'm like, okay, this sounds pretty good. Okay, so so the overall market, again, looking kind of flat, really not much going on. So before I let you go, I got to remind you that I've got a trading indicator out there that's something you might want to take a look at. It can help you make more money in crypto. It runs on your iPhone, runs on an Android, runs on a computer. That's about $1.15 a day is what it costs. There's a 30-day no money back guarantee. Here's what it can do. It can help you make money with stocks and crypto. Okay. So it can give you buy and sell alerts for stocks and crypto. You can see this is the software. This green is a momentum up. It's a buy alert. Okay. So you can see like 83 days ago, it gave a buy alert right here for Netflix. This is a stock, Netflix. And see buy all the way here. And then there was a sell and then another buy and then another sell in 83 days. That's basically 60%. So $2,000 bought here. And then you end up here at the top in 83 days, you would have made over $1,200 in profit. So $2,000 turning it into a total of $3,200. Okay, so that's in profit. Okay, so that's what the software helps you to do. It tells you know when to buy and knows when to sell. Helps you to take the blinders off so that you know when to buy and when to sell. XRP gave a buy alert right here 15 days ago. Is about 17% up. That's a 15 days, 17% on your money is really, really good. $1,000 bought and then not sold yet would have already made you $170 in profit in just 15 days. Kind of moving on. Tesla, again, this is Tesla showing you the buy and sell alert for Tesla. Ethereum, again, right here, giving you these buy and sell alerts. You can see the market's not doing a lot right now. We all know that crypto is kind of consolidating right now, but you can be doing swing trading in addition to kind of long-term buy and hold strategies, and that's what it helps you to do. Also, there is a massive Discord behind this. This is an investing community where you can get all sorts of help. There is literally live training. So there's a live training tomorrow at 12 p.m. for XO1 algo trading and introduction. And then on Wednesday, there's another live training, X1 algo trading and real-time setups. And then we have live training every single week, okay, to help you with this. And also all the trainings are recorded, so you can watch them as you would like. But you can see we've got a lot of stuff here for you. We got share profits, we got a chat room, we have support tickets, tutorials, create a ticket for support, all that's here. And then we have live people in here every single day helping you with everything you need. So this is a massive community, ultimately with the goal of helping you be even more profitable using the software, buying and selling crypto, buying and selling stocks, all that kind of stuff. So links are in the description below, right down there. And if you're watching this on X, the link's below this video as well. So give her a look, take it for a test spin. You have 30 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Okay, so as I said, 30 days. And if you don't like it, you ask for it, you get a cancel and you get a refund. So it doesn't cost you anything to at least try it and give it a look. Okay, so that's what it's there for. And then, by the way, this gets you set up for this massive bull run that we've got coming, and you're ready for it. And you can take a massive advantage of it to really profit from it, to know when to buy, when to sell any crypto or any stock, all that kind of stuff. All right, I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care.